Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brand in Wild Rift. Brand is a fiery mage, a powerful force on the battlefield, known for his incredible burst damage and area of effect spells. His passive, Blaze, is key, applying a stacking burn that amplifies all his abilities. Mastering his combos is essential to unleash his full destructive power and dominate your opponents. Let's dive into his core abilities. Brand's first ability, Seer, is a skill shot that stuns enemies already affected by Blaze. Conflagration spreads fire, igniting foes, while Pillar of Flame creates a damaging area of fire. His ultimate Pyroclasm bounces between enemies, prioritizing those already ablaze for maximum impact. A common combo is Pillar of Flame, then Conflagration, followed by Seer for a stun, and finally Pyroclasm to finish them off. Practice these to perfect your timing. For itemization, begin with Luden's Echo to gain burst damage and essential mana regeneration. Your next core item should be Rabadon's Death Cap, which dramatically boosts your ability power, making your spells hit much harder. If facing many tanks, Liandry's Torment provides excellent sustained damage. For runes, Electrocute is a fantastic choice, perfectly complementing Brand's burst-oriented playstyle. These choices will maximize your impact in every game. In team fights, always maintain a safe distance, leveraging Brand's impressive long-range abilities to deal damage from afar. Focus on spreading Blaze to as many enemies as possible to amplify your overall damage output. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Lastly, consistently check your minimap and place wards strategically to avoid unexpected enemy ganks and secure objectives. Good luck, summoners.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.